Hello, Ken Stissel here with CR Cronjude, and I'm in Raleigh, North Carolina to showcase one of the many material handling and automation solutions we provide to our customers in collaboration with RH-Series and Barbaric. Now today, we're going to show you our RH-Series high-speed CNC router paired with the Barbaric LCV loader and NST nesting picker. This three-part system is completely automated from the loading of sheets to the cutting and offloading of sheets, all the way to automatically and individually stacking cut parts right out of the nest with no human intervention. Now let's go take a closer look. When it comes to material handling and machining, CR Cronjude, RH-Series, and Barbaric have several options. Depending on your needs, we can fit your facility with a small system which loads from a single bunk like we see here, or we can go all the way up to a massive material storage and retrieval system that can pull different sheets from your inventory and place it into the processing area. The LCV system can handle a variety of materials and sizes from 2 foot by 7 foot up to 7 foot by 13.5 feet, weighing as much as 440 pounds. Next, we have the CR Cronjude optional pre-stage table, which creates a buffer between the end of cut cycle and the loading process. What you don't want is your machine waiting on the loading system. Basically, when a sheet is loaded into the machine, a signal is sent to the loader to load the next sheet onto the pre-stage table. Another reason to have this option is to either pre-label the sheet while the machine is cutting, or to place additional sheets on top of each other for loading stacked sheets into the machine for stack cutting. Moving on through the process, here is the CR Cronjude RH-Series router, which is where all the cutting and drilling takes place. This machine has a standard 18 horsepower spindle, 4 spindle drill block, FANUC control, and is equipped with the Onsrud roller hold down system, which holds warped or stacked material down on the table while cutting. This feature is very popular in the upholstered furniture industry, where they often have the challenge of working with warped plywood. We also see this option in high volume, repetitive production environments where the same parts, same nests are run, and we can stack sheets for cutting to get more parts per cycle. For even higher volume, we can add a second spindle to this machine to really crank up your throughput. Also integrated into the RH-Series is what we call the Onsrud pusher sweeper system, which allows the machine to clean and clear the cutting table in preparation for the next sheet. During the sweep cycle, the cut nest is pushed off onto the offload table. From the offload table, the Barbaric NST nesting picker can automatically offload individual machine parts and place them on pallets or on a conveyor that takes them to another process such as edge banding. The NST system is capable of lifting parts from 3" by 12" to 51" by 110 inches, weighing up to 132 pounds. Using a Nest DXF and camera, the NST can recognize parts even if they've shifted and can unload up to 7 parts per minute. Once all the parts have been offloaded, any remaining scrap or debris is pushed off into a bin or hopper. In all, this automation system allows you to truly automate an entire sheet processing line and do so with some of the most reliable machinery in the industry. Thanks for joining me on this quick walkthrough of this CR Cronjude and Barbaric integrated automation solution. When it comes to automation, each project is different, and we've been working with RH-Series and Barbaric for several years now, creating some of the best material handling and machining solutions on the market. If you're interested in learning more, email us at sales@crcronjude.com, and we can work with you to find the best, most reliable, and cost-effective solution for your needs. Take care.